Hi there, and welcome to the Kids Art Projects 101 YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Medico, and I am an art teacher at an awesome elementary school near Orlando, Florida. I am so happy that you're here. The content you're about to watch is from our series of short, kid-friendly videos about famous artists. Are you ready to try one now? Let's do it.
This is Henri Matisse. He's not alive anymore, but he and his artworks are still very famous. In his younger years, Matisse was a well-known painter. But in his older years, he got sick and became less mobile. Amazingly, his physical limitations ended up inspiring a whole new approach to making art. He started using scissors. He found he could easily cut paper while in bed or in a wheelchair. He said he was drawing with scissors. No one had used scissors like this before. He would cut pre-painted paper into various shapes and sizes. Then he would ask an assistant to pin the shapes to a wall and rearrange them until he was satisfied. As you can see, he liked to work big. Can you recognize that blue column in the middle? Yeah, there it is. Each shape here was carefully transferred off Matisse's studio wall and glued into a final masterpiece by his helpers. Matisse's paper cutouts are now among his most recognized works, and they can be found in art museums all around the world.
That's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something new. Teachers, build off this specific video with the Open and Go art unit I use in my classroom.